Your AI just broke, sales are tanking, your customer service chatbot crashed mid-conversation, leaving your customers furious. And now your inbox looks like a riot. What happened? Simple. Your computing power couldn't keep up. Here's the kicker. Running AI without the cloud is like trying to power a spaceship with AA batteries. You will crash hard. And why? AI devours computing power, and your regular servers aren't going to cut it. So let's talk about why cloud computing has gone from a nice-to-have tech upgrade to a must-have survival kit. Unless you're Microsoft, Google, or literally Jeff Bezos, you don't have access to a data center the size of a football stadium sitting in your backyard. That's why businesses are turning to the cloud. Today, we're breaking down 3 things. 1. How AI wrecks traditional servers. 2. Why the cloud is your secret weapon. And 3. The dark side of AI in the cloud that no one is talking about. Imagine hiring an employee who needs 1,000 cups of coffees per hour to function. That's AI. And most businesses wildly underestimate how much computing power they actually need. Then boom, their system slows down, costs spiral, and suddenly their game-changing AI project is a very expensive dumpster fire. The cloud, on the other hand, instantly scales with high demand. No hardware headaches, no surprise crashes. You pay for what you use, grow when you need to. Not long ago, building AI was a rich person's game. We're talking millions of dollars, millions of pounds in hardware, entire teams with PhD data scientists, and a setup so complex you need a NASA engineer to make sense of it. But now, AI is basically on tap. No setup costs, no infrastructure nightmares, just plug in and get raw AI power. It's renting a Ferrari instead of buying one. You get the speed, the power, the edge, without selling your soul to afford it. But before you start moving everything to the cloud, let's talk about the risks, because yeah, AI in the cloud is powerful, but it's also got a dark side, and most businesses don't see it coming. There are 3 major risks. Security breaches. If your customer data is in the cloud, is it truly safe? Hackers love AI-driven businesses because AI stores and processes a goldmine of valuable data. Compliance headaches, GDPR, CCPA. If your cloud provider isn't compliant, guess what? Neither are you. And the fines for messing this up, they can start in the millions. Vendor lock-in. Once you rely on one cloud provider, switching later can be insanely expensive. Like breaking up with your provider and lose half your assets expensive. So how do you mitigate these risks? Pick cloud providers with built-in security. Keep backups outside the cloud. Yes, really. And avoid putting all of your AI eggs in one basket. Without the right infrastructure, AI is not an advantage, but a liability. If you want to see how real businesses are using AI and cloud computing to scale without burning cash, hit subscribe. We're constantly breaking down the best tools, the biggest mistakes, and the smarter strategies that actually work. See you in the next one.